In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link sections inside a website using Webflow. This is a really useful technique, especially for one-page websites where you want users to quickly navigate to different sections of your site without any hassle. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to create smooth scrolling effects that make your website feel more intuitive and professional. Let's get started, shall we? First things first, we need to identify the section you want to link to. Take a moment to scroll through your website page and find the specific section. Once you've found it, click to select the actual section in the Webflow Designer. You'll notice that when you click on a section, it gets highlighted, showing you that it's selected. That's exactly what you want. With your section selected, you now need to access the element settings. Look towards the right-hand side of your screen and find the gear icon. Click on it. This action takes you to where you can adjust various settings for this element. Here, you're going to need to give your section a unique ID. This ID acts as an anchor point, a sort of signpost that marks where your web link will navigate to. Choose something simple and memorable, like About, Services, or Contact. Remember, using lowercase without spaces works best for IDs. Once you've typed in this unique ID, you're halfway through the process. Now let's move on to creating the actual link that visitors will click on. Head back to your design elements and select the button, text link, or navbar item that you want to function as this link. Highlight it, and then look for the link settings option. This is typically represented by a chain link icon right near your selection. With the link settings panel open, you'll see several linking options. For our purpose, you'll want to choose the section link type. This option will filter out non-relevant link options, leaving only sections for you to choose from. Now from the drop-down menu that appears, select the target section you set up earlier. You'll see your unique ID there, so go ahead and click on it. Congratulations, you've just linked a section within your website. Test out your work by going into the preview mode of your Webflow project. Click on your new link and watch the magic happen as the page smoothly scrolls to the exact section you've designated. It really adds a layer of polish to your website and helps guide your visitors exactly where you want them to go. And there you have it, an easy-to-follow method to link sections inside a website using Webflow. With this skill, you're sure to enhance user experience by making navigation intuitive and straightforward. Thanks for watching and happy designing!